Hi, I'm Shambhavi Sharma. I head the HR function at Josh as the CHRO, where we could look at a complete 24 by 7 support coming to us when the employee really needs us. Now, during the pandemic, slowly and steadily, we moved into people's personal space where we expected our team members and our employees to be available. So, somewhere as an organization, we also thought that it is time that with the reduced social system and the increased level of exposure to social media, it is important that we are there to have a partnership on their mental and physical well-being. So that's our idea of onboarding loop. One of the things which we have been talking to Loop and which we have got customized for Josh is the wellness calendar. Here we have been able to provide with a lot of new initiatives like Stepathon or the emotional well-being sessions which we have conducted for our employees. Some of the programs which we have initiated last year was the Zumba session, the ergonomics session, which also helped them look at correct their postures. We also had a customized session on mental well-being and how to get rid of some of the habits which employees form over a period of time. And this session was rated as one of the best sessions by our employees because I think we not only gave some long-term impact of and the consequences of some of these habits, but also it helped them relate to how they can get over some of these habits which later on becomes a pattern of life. I think that was a great initiative which we could actually roll out in the last year. This year we have an entire calendar planned on a number of new initiatives, including having a art therapy for employees. We also plan to do something with the clay and clay modeling where they can go back to basics and ground themselves over a few artistic things in terms of their likings, right? So these are the initiatives we plan for this year. So once again, I think the best part of Loop is the one-stop shop where we don't have to struggle when there's an emergency situation which employees face or their family members face. I think going to a hospital and seeing a crisis situation with your family members itself is very painful, and the last thing you want is waiting out for insurance and insurance support. I think we've been very lucky to have a continuous helpline on the Loop app where we are able to enable that even at the middle of the night, and we don't have to spend sleepless nights in terms of supporting the employees. So that saves a lot of time for my HR business partners, and also the employees have given us a good response in terms of the app. So over the last 1 year, since we have taken a lot of wellness initiatives, including emotional well-being, so we have seen a drastic reduction in the ailments from employee perspective. I was going through the statistics, and I think most of it is either parental or relatives. So this is great news for us because I think it's a complete ROI in our trust in Loop, and I think that goes a long way in terms of talking about our own care initiatives which we have been able to provide for Josh. So since this is a tech company, we actually spent a lot of time in ensuring that all our employees are downloading the app initially last year, and after that it was a cakewalk because people were intrigued by the whole idea of having doctor on call on the phone 24 by 7. Even for small ailments, even if it's a fever, they would consult the doctor and tell us that the doctors were listening to them. So Josh is a service company, and we actually support our customer in developing the apps. So I think with The Loop app, it has been a game changer because the employees love to look into the development of the app, and they are also very fond of some of the features which the app provides. And I think that has been the edge which the Loop app has provided us. So I think the best part about going with Loop once again, and a satisfied customer will always come back, right? We've been able to drastically reduce the number of ailments from employee perspective. We've seen a reduced dependency on hospitals. We've seen an awareness of the need to be, physically and mentally fit. The numbers speak for itself, and I think that's been the primary reason for us to go with Loop once again. That's been definitely a win-win for us, and thank you.